Okay, dapat lang, ikaw na. Yan, welcome na po. Iti 30 minutes lang yan ang nababating oras yun. Ito ay Adda kami manan. Ito ay 98.5 IFM. Iti idol tayo nga FM. Okay, ket may saping nga sunat at isagot ka tayo dito ay guest performer tayo for today. Our third grand finalist. Once again, anya tibunganagan mo anak ko.
Jaslian Nicole Bulan, sir.
Okay, ket no apang kanto Amerika, anyan to tiket mo nga nagan mo di dyan.
Jasly, sir.
Jasly lang, tati ngagbaliw.
Mandi, sir.
Okay, Jasly Moon. Di ka de. Medyo uminglis ka ba, Seth? Kasi kini John Mark, nung mapanto US is unahan to nga John Mark Pastor, ti nagan na dyan. Johnny Minister. Di ba? Bis nga pastor ka, minister. Kung na. Okay, itil maudi nga sonata, masino tiket mga pangisipatan.
Dagdi pamilyak latan, sir.
Apo na blanco. Awan la iti ingungutom ti biag. Boyfriend.
Awan, sir.
Awan?
Awan, sir.
Oh, Diyos ko. Agar-aram.
Awan, sir.
Ana, niya kamutan. Abakan na ka dya ating mga kay nalaban mo dito idi at dati boyfriend na di jayan. Okay nga rin, and you're going to do ti sonata?
Akin ka na lang, sir.
Akin ka na lang. John Mark, can you please do the honor? Pakipatukar mo man. Nga rawad, for the last time, let's welcome once again our grand finalist for the upcoming Search for Ilocano Idol nga mapasamak to sa Jay. F1 Kabatuhan into February 14. Please be there. Agpa-reserve kayo na po. Miss Jesly Ann Bulan. Apo, long and download dahi tana. Okay.
Cover speech. Bakit hindi mo maramdaman? Ikaw sa akin ay mahalaga. Ako sa'yo'y kaibigan lamang. Ano nga ba't di ko matanggap? At ako pa ba ibigin pa? Ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw, akin ka na lang. Maghihintay hanggang akin ka na giliw. At sa panaginip lamang nahahagkat, nayayakap ka. At ako pa ba ibigin pa? Ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw, akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na giliw.
Ayan na po, thank you so much. Anak ko, Keta, Gorkabit, ata. And ada mo ti basi nga pag-flat nga iyawat mi may sikreto talang to baka no makaungo ta kita taduma. Anyway, everybody has it yan. Thank you so much for guesting and once again see you into no February 14 of course and do want to ti kansyon ninyo may isang warm up piece of your choice and may isang contest piece. And aside from that, ag-recording kay pa live for the choice of ano tawag yan, social media award. Yes. Ayan. And of course, dito naman din tirugi iti panaka-expose yung nga agkaroon iti YouTube channel yung sa sarili. Taday taapo ti number 1 nga ganda ti 4-decade duo. Ati mapadason nyo mo iti aggressive iti revenues aga po jay Google. Isong arugyamon iti agaramit ti account mo ti Google tapno napigpigsan to at adon to ti followers mo. So, thank you so much, Ading, and see you on February 14. And maawis kayo matin na po. Nga dumdum nga, kiti programa mi nga into no February 14 ti Grand Finals da sa Jaya F1 Kabatuan. And the title of the show is Binalentinuan Ijay Kabatuan. And of course, itugot yun to the gitay ingungutin nyo ti biyag. Ayan, thank you and bye-bye, Ading. Ayan, anak ko. And iti oras ka tanawatiwat pa we still have 20 more minutes before we end our show. So, John Mark, basically, anya ti makunam kini Binibining Pilipinas.
Orang ti Chigarger.
Vibrato. Kanya-kanyang quality ti voice ata actually.
Sabagay
kasla kanyang maumot ti vibrato. But then,
One.
At atagi ti mek nga require ti vibrato. At atagi ubing pa laang inbornan. Kasla nakasangot ti electric fan. So iti bagay kada kiti tao nga one vibrato na kada kiti rock nga music nga talaga. Magsla kanya mo di kadi. Adanto kanya nang nga mang-utilize no kaso nang usaran data nga
rock.
Kita andan to no may kanan tumati justice di kantaan na.
Tapos kasla adi ND lyrics ngay. Bitinan na kasi.
Kulang siya sa note na DJ end of the notes.
Kasi tawag diyan.
No, kasi kanya ta. Siyempre, awan ti coach na kung ang kaya na dapat ito coach. No, siya ngamin da dyan, no siya kati mangkanta ngamin ka. Bu, kung aji makakanyam na, mo pa lang itbatan. Gana agap apatan to. Api ngamin ta, ibatam nga tagusan kati pinanalpas, da beating na. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Kas dya, yung nga 1, 2, stop ka nga tagus. Tinutila mo nga kasi mo no ka. Okay nga rod. Maudi nga sonata ta. Ayan pa, ano tayo. Bago tagpatalastas, may sabi nga sonata. Ladies and gentlemen, a piece from
The Stylistics.
This one goes out kay Amin. Ikanta man ti Justice dito eh. Aji atitidug nga notations nga kunata. Kaslak atitug iti masangwana ni Kadeo.
Ingata.
Apaya.
Kumita ko na eh.
Awan kayo kanyak ko na. Stylistics. The sun belongs to the sky. The leaf belongs to the tree. The grape belongs to the vine. And you belong to me. Isn't it a miracle? It's another miracle. Thank God for the miracle. You belong to me. I used to think the time was just a thing to pass away. Love was just a game that children play. God was just another word to say. And so was something in a song. And I put down the fools who said that life is meaningful. Laugh when someone mentioned miracle. Cried 'cause such things were impossible.
I put down the fools who said that life was meaningful. Laugh when someone mentioned miracle. Cried 'cause such things were impossible. And then you came along. Now I believe miracles can be, and in my soul I thank God you belong to me. Now I believe miracles can be, and in my soul I thank God you belong to me. Now I believe.
Mati manggag kami, nagpiksa kami boses, mau.
Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Iti oras kapag kaya, 15 minutos kasagbayan de las 3 ni malam.
That time check.
Ayan. 12 minutos langan malpas di programa ket tilata ni idol yung John Mark Pastor ken ni idol yung June Seriales. Ito ay 98.5 IFM iti idol tayo nga FM. O mo di text line ito yan ta. Mabasak ko ma. Watching from Malaysia with love from Evangeline. Pwede na? Dangilan. Happy Sunday ka na. From Korea. Watching from Korea. I'm Gina Jeong, taga Isabela, Kabatuan Idol. Kayo launay, Gina Jeong. I
Gina
love watching
Jeong.
you guys from Auntie Ida, Pasqua Clinton. Watching from Singapore. Gongshi Fasay, Oliver Colobong. Yeah. See you soon from Sir Oliver Buraga. Kailan tayo magkikita?
Agmeeting tayo tupay kini kabsat nga Sir June. Ayan ta, i-finalize sa'yo ti everything ta. May sa isuna kadagiti, amumon, sikreto lang. Ta baka no textan da isuna kat narigaton. Anyway, i-sponsor tayo po for the trip for to Malaysia. Iti grand winner tayo. Aside from that, dapat timawad nga 10,000 pesos. Ayan. And, once again, kada-kitiket na po nga, arnusin ta next week, iti kwatay di plugging iti Pacific Star International Recruitment Agency, no kasano ti kasayaat na. Data. Apa ya? So, nasa oktat tayo nga, nagpintas nga, iti boses na ni ading, ni anak tayo nga ni Jesslyn is more on rock. Kastamag kanya ma. Kasi awan iti vibrato nga pangpalad. Kasi ako magiging kanyak nga, diba? Ada tiba ti emotions na. Kanyayo, it's more on ati makaungut nga kanta. Do you have some? Can you do? Yeah? Ano?
Ano nga ta?
Ano din kinita mo
Amazing.
Amazing.
Kakaasi ti boss ko dyan ako na.
Oreta, ano, Rabi, ito pa mag-perform. So,
Get the red ones out, let the wrong ones in.
gitar launay ka.
Had an angel of mercy, see me through all my sin.
Ano pa maganda dyan? Ito ay?
Di ka mo.
Amazing.
Dapat dito yun I don't wanna miss a thing pa eh.
Kang kanta ang mata?
Dito ni karaoke ko na naman.
Padasa ma. Sige. I-plug in mo.
Ada jadi plug in.
Testingin tayo mantika. Inikat ko katatagun uling ngamin tatay. So, try ni John Mark. Ang awan ti areglog dito. Kata amutan nag-switch kami ti Ilocano. So, isong inika kami ti jay pangbasag boses nga kunada. Agi tay winning piece na. Iti isupela katagkang kanta iti banda mo ni John Mark. Iti Agustin band. Napatpadas na magkatin nagkangkanta ti Agustin band. Masarakan sa jay Bugalyon Norte Ramon Isabela. Dapat di kontrata na no i-package pati di pa nagdungaw. You really wanna do that? Are you sure?
I don't wanna miss a thing lang naman.
Sige, I don't wanna miss a thing. Hanuni nga broken na ta.
Nas na broken ti boss na di may isa. Kakaasi
okay.
ti karabukob.
So ladies and gentlemen, he will try. At ako, puro lapadas dahil aramitin takas labagoong lapadas. I don't wanna miss a thing. And with that, we would like to say goodbye, everybody. Thank you very much for being with us. And this has been your Manong June, Idol June Seriales together with Idol
John Mark Pastor, Creator, Embalsamador.
Into no next week manin po, the same time, 12 to 3 p.m. Dito lang nga po siyempre, Idol Ting FM 98.5 IFM. Okay nga rod, kat itid mo na.
I'm very nervous.
Itid mo ti mauding nga sunatan, iti sunatan nga napoluan I don't want to miss a thing. In Ilocano, diyak kaya nga dati mapalabas ko nga banag.
Apa yung di maguni?
Aming kat song from the Aerosmith.
Aerosmith. Testing lang. Karaoke na talaga.
Musika naman, di mo yung pareglo.
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. I don't want to close my eyes, I don't want to fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't want to miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I'd still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. Then I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss. Well, I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close. I feel your heart so close to mine, and just stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I try, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. Yeah, I don't wanna miss a thing.
Nawatiwan pa iti oras. We still have
2 minutes.
2 minutes. No, 5 minutes more to go.
Huh?
When ket handa mo balin nga itipan iti kanito iso nga to finally close the program. Mang tatapay ti may isang sonata. So, kasta iti type of voice ni ading namanaganan Jazz Leon, day mabalin na nga broken voice ta hamot nga iso nga classical kundiman. Ayan. Nga roda, pa iti kaya mo nga kansyonan balong.
Makapasumgar dahi ta estelyo Nakasla high school lak pa lang ayos kabsat ti banat yun.
And he is talking of the 70s, the tiny kapsat nga ron si Pagan. And may isa katakiti sikreto mi dita kapsat kitay 70s. Iso nga, iso man pa iti mo nga itad nga sonata, datay touch of 70s. And here's something from, sino kimatatimanan ni, forgot the name. Okay, anyway, touch of 70s.
Andy Gib, Emily.
Gabriel.
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 Sika?
I sit alone in my empty room, waiting for a sign. Is this the way you show your mind?
So many crazy thoughts are in my head, but I know they're untrue. Am I in love or just a fool for you? You never told me you loved me. I know you're not to blame. It's just the way you play your game. You never told me you loved me, but I'll get by somehow. You never told me you loved me, so I
tonight I'd sit and wait for you, but you rarely show. I get this feeling it's time to go. Are you sincere or just passing time with someone who loves you? I'm tired of guessing at what to do. You never told me you loved me. I know you're not to blame. It's just a way you play your game. You never told me you loved me, but I get you somehow. You never told me you loved me, so why should you care now?
Bye-bye.
From Katuta, that song was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class